Not too long ago, I was carrying a lot, heavy thoughts and heavy days. So I decided to take a break from everything and spend a long weekend alone in the mountains. And let me tell you, that was the first and best decision I have ever done in my life. At that time I only had iPhone 11, but still I tried to vlog as much as possible for you. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope that you will somehow feel the beauty and the abundance of this amazing place called Königssee. After 4 hours in the train from Munich, I checked into the Explorer Hotel Berchtesgaden. I will leave the link below if you're interested. I dropped off my bags and went out to explore.
Something is just not the same. I haven't been thinking about you, even when I should. All the lies that you told, I've forgiven. I've done all in my power to heal them, all of my scars. I'm getting good at letting go. I'm not there yet, but I know ain't no hope in holding on when I'm happier alone. I'm getting good at letting go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
My last day was absolutely the best. I woke up early. I took the boat across the lake to go to a place called Salet, from where I'm going to start an amazing hike to the waterfalls, Röthbachfall. I will leave all the itinerary and the details about this trail in the description below. I hope you enjoy it.
Sunlight, sunlight, isn't it the way you're moving? Sunlight, sunlight, is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Is it in the way you're moving? It's a summer affair when it's just you and I. Take your time, it's your life, and a new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.